Hey guys, how me go do my baby girlie? Sandy one, my baby. Look at. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, my name is Agome Bunameze Halike, Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. So today I'll be taking you through the imago of my baby girlie, Sandra's Reality. I'll be leaving her name on the screen. Okay, Sandra Reality is my godmother, my one and only godmother, my first godmother on this YouTube. You should all know Sandra's Reality, and today is her imago. So what you're seeing right here now is the Omona, where they are negotiating on the bride price, and for which the women is not supposed to be where they're negotiating about the bride price, okay? But it's between the family of the girl and the family of the husband, which will be negotiating the bride price. And Omona, if you don't settle them well, one day you are not taking your wife home, okay? So you need to negotiate well with them, settle very well with them, and go with your wife. As in, if you are choking her, you will choke her in peace. So from the Omona, you'll be getting into the youth, okay? You also need to settle the youth. If not, they're going to block your road. You won't take your wife home, okay? So you need to settle them very well. So right here, Sandra's brother needs to come and negotiate with them in order to monetize some of the things that they want them to bring. And from there, we are entering to the Omoada. Back and Sobode. Now this place where the problem, then the Omoada. Hey. Now these people go come your trad, they go carry nylon. Person will carry one handbag, they go house with like 10 handbag. And these people are the problem in any trad. If you don't give them something, you are not taking your wife home. You need to settle the Omada. They will check the list. Their malt need to be complete. Their ncha need to be complete. Their yam need to be complete. Their water need to be complete. Their food, their coolers of food, they need to be seeing it in front of them. They will check the list. Like if you look at that woman, she's holding the list for which they gave them. They will check the list thoroughly. Like when I mean thoroughly, they will need to check the list thoroughly, that nothing is missing. You have to bring everything complete. So right here, look at our Okomi Atata is entering right now. So back to the Ndiomada, you have to negotiate with them well. As in, you need to negotiate well. If not, you are not, Sandra, you are not going anywhere. In fact, if you don't settle us well, I've joined the Omada. If you don't settle us well, we are not going anywhere. So the bride price has been settled, and Sandra is coming out right now. Let me sing for my baby. Ada, ada, oh. Ada, ada, oh, wasama. Ada, ada, oh. Ada, did your rama, oh. Everybody, they wait. Hold on. Sandra wasn't going to. As you can see this video, Sandra went back because she was supposed to greet her husband's family first before greeting her own people, but she greeted her family before greeting the husband, for which they told her to go back and do it right. So right now, they're asking her to point at the man. Point at your choke. See Sandra feeling shy. Hell! Sandra Mbweke, see this one feeling shy. So they're telling her to point at the choke. We need to know the choke. Tell us, show us your husband, show us your Okomi. So Sandra pointed at the husband, and everything was settled. So right now she's going to greet the Omada. She's entering the house. This is the Omada. They need to greet the Omada. So everything is settled right now. You can see celebration. Na DJ Tinyegu. Onye ndị ebe enye 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 ndị ebe. You see this dance that Omada is dancing is dance for food, because everything has been settled. When they need to dance for food. You want to go? As person wey talk for bride price from morning till afternoon need to chop. They need to replenish the energy, the talk. Both those that have had fights, they need to replenish the energy. So right now, the food is being served. Look at my Chiamaka, look at my Uche. Everybody is working. Everybody is working. So right now, they're dishing out the food for everyone to eat, because the work is not easy. They have been talking since morning. So they need to replenish the energy and the rest of them. Chiamaka, don't worry. In my next Abamunko, because me, I'm still doing another Abamunko, I come on after now, okay? You will be in charge of food. Anybody will do anyhow, don't give that person food. So right now, Chiamaka and Uche is helping out, serve out the meals and everything. As you can see, they have some more apple, oloiloi. You see that apple? You need to eat that apple, oloiloi well, okay? They give you, see, they're even serving them water, eh? I like it, madam on no, but no problem. So far, my baby girl is going home. They've settled you people, and we don't have any problem again. We will give you anything you want. So, as the celebration was going on for the Omada, Ndi Omonna was also enjoying on their own side, that sharing the palm wine that they brought and the drinks. You know, their hero need to be there. Ompa. He needs to be there. That snap needs to be there. Their palm wine, you need to bring correct palm wine for them. So everything has been settled. So that's why they're sharing the wine, because if everything is not settled, they are not going to share the drink. So right now everything has been settled, and the men, the Undio Monna, are now taking their drink. One me pass go do me one small stout. Oh, because doing this audio is not easy. So if you can cook very soon now, you go pour and wine, so that always the other one side. So the Omona is enjoying their drink and everyone is happy. I am happy because my baby girl is going home. My baby girl is going home. Congratulations to you, Sandra. Thank you. If you go Ogwada, if you go Ogwada, go. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So tomorrow is going to be the trad, and this is the woman that will be cooking for the trad. Okay, so please, if you have watched up to this moment, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share any of my videos if you like any, and let's keep watching. So right now, as usual, you know Sandra and Angel will always throw their tantrum. See, they're already exchanging words. Shut up and the rest of them. They must always throw their tantrum. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you in my next video. Congratulations once again, my godmother, my Kifo. Welcome. Yeah. Auntie, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome.